Forgot the formula a plus b whole square? Don't worry. Learn it forever within a minute. Hi, I am Anamika, your educator. Welcome everybody in my channel Maths Mentor Academy. Now let's start. A plus b whole square. What's the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Listen, here there is a plus. So before 2 you should write plus, and it is the formula. Now I explain it by an example. A plus 3 whole square. How can I write? First term a square, then plus, write 2 into a into 3 plus 3 square. Now what's the final result? A square plus 6a plus 9. Okay? Clear. Now I give a tips to remember it forever. First, in the formula, first what you are doing, first is the square of the first term, and second is the multiplication of first term and second term, and then double it, and third the square of the second term. Thanks everybody who watched my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.